Welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD, guys. So, guys, what are we going to do today? That is the question. Today, guys, I'm going to side a bit with the sellers because I'm seeing a structure initiation of a correction. That is all. We are bullish, no doubt about that, guys. No fighting what we can see with our plain eyes. So, what are we going to do? As long as the price is above 1.36811, guys, we are sellers, and guys, we will be targeting 1.36052. And guys, my next target would be 1.35370. But do keep in mind, guys, this is just a correction move. What I expect, the trend is bullish, but today is on the 4H. When I look at the chart, I see hesitation and a move without any volume. So that is, I expect the price to come back down just for today. And guys, my next target would be 1.37444. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair. And see you guys tomorrow. And guys, I am currently in Baku. If anyone wants to get coffee, I am available.